Hey, Kristen. You can't. Oh, duh, because the lid's on. Okay, so it looks like there is a tornado warning. I don't know. Where'd it go? And Kristen's freaking out. Thank you. And on here, zoom in on this thing. Helena, national thing, whatever.
Open.
One. Right. Where is that? Right there. Tornado warning until 3 p.m. on the day. Sighted or immediately. Holy crap! Kristen! It said a tornado has been sighted or whatever. Seek shelter immediately. That's what it says on there. Let's look for it. Kristen!